Cleaning your boat shouldn't mean compromising its protection, but often, harsh cleaners strip away the very defenses you've worked hard to apply. Introducing Starke Pure Clean, the game-changing, ultra-concentrated boat soap that's pH neutral. This means it's specifically designed to clean deeply without disrupting your carefully applied waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. Imagine having the power to lift dirt and grime with intense foaming action without sacrificing an ounce of protection. Our pH neutral formula ensures your boat gets the cleaning it needs while the protective layers remain fully intact. No more worrying about stripping away your waxes, repelling properties, or compromising your ceramic coating's durability. With Starke Pure Clean, maximum cleaning and maximum protection coexist. Enjoy the perfect harmony of a showroom shine and long-lasting defense. Our ultra-concentrated formula also means less product used per wash, saving you time and resources. Experience the best of both worlds with Starke Pure Clean. Clean with confidence, knowing your boat's protection is always reserved. Pure Clean. Protected perfection, guaranteed.